Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing my Dollar Tree makeup haul. Okay, first we're going to start off with Sassy+Chick moisturizing foundation. To apply the moisturizing foundation, I'm going to be using Sassy+Chick makeup sponges, as you see here, because I'm not going to be using my entire finger just to get it dirty. I'm going to apply it all over. Seems to have darkened up. It seems to have covered up some dark spots. Next, I will be trying LA Colors liquid makeup. So I'm going to try one of these colors out, and I'm going to choose the lightest, I guess. Let's see, number CBLM310, which is the natural light color. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my under eyes because I've seen that the foundation. I'm just going to go straight for my skin tone because this is my personal foundation coverage, I guess. Alright, I'm going to go with the dots. Makeup sponge. I'm going to cover that nasty darkness. The natural darkness I have been born with. For the next step, I will be using these nice, attractive mermaid makeup brushes that I saw at the Dollar Tree. These were the only two I can find. And I guess that aisle was almost empty, so these are really popular. Alright, so I'm going to use them both to apply the eyeshadow. Nice close up of these brushes. I don't think I need my hand here, but oh, they're really pretty. You could actually find something like this for probably like the set, probably like 5 of these on AliExpress or on eBay. So I think they're worth it. So this set, which is the CBES625 Water Lily set. See, I had already opened it. These colors seem to be very shimmery and attractive. So I want to try out this one. Let's see how good it is. This reminds me of the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star. There's an eyeshadow that seems similar to this one. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Oh yeah. See if you can get that color in there. I'm gonna jump in with the purple color. Yes, that was my nail collection that you saw in the mirror. Let's see. Oh, I think it's that strong. Is it? Can't tell. Let's see. Where can it? Ooh, this is really nice. You know what? It kind of reminds me of the multi-dual chrome highlighter colors. Like this with this color with the combination of this gold color here. I'm going to try this color. This light kind of whitish shimmery color. I'm not even sure where to place it, so I think I'm going to place it right underneath my eyebrows. Oh my god, this is just a lighter pink pearl color. Like a pink pearl translucent color. Really nice. Oh my gosh, this one's prettier. It's like a pinkish pearl mixed with gold and a dual chrome purple. So this palette is the CBEP424. What's it called? Supernatural palette, I guess. That's the name of the entire palette. So we're going to use this, and I think I'm just going to use this as little cardboard cut out sometimes, but since I don't feel like looking for it, I'm going to use this. And I'm going to create a little bit of a smoky eye look. I'm going to create a line here. Plus this helps a lot because this way there's no kickback and it won't fall onto your face right here. Sometimes you could create like a bruised look. We're going to think someone punched in and covers up most of the face. And let's see how it turns out. And voila. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next one. With the Supernatural palette, I'm going to add some of this black eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Again, to prevent any kickback, we are going to tap, tap, tap. And I'm going to use my camera here. Hopefully it doesn't look all weird. This is the only thing I can use and trust. In the meantime, it doesn't look bad, especially for a smoky eye look. With this CBES 402, what's it called? Sunshine Loose Eyeshadow. We're gonna try Sunshine, possibly over my cheeks. This on the top. I'm gonna open the cap. Oh, that was easy. See that the little brush is kind of funky looking. The little bristle looks like it went out to party and now it's all messed up. That's okay because it's still shiny. Let's see if I can swatch it. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty strong. I've never seen this. On one try too. Let's see if I do it a second time. Okay. So let's see if I could. That looks if I. It's like a highlighter. Not bad. Let's add more. I should put some on my nose too. Oh my god, powder went in my eye right now. Okay. This will look really nice. I don't know if you could see it. It's like a nice light shimmer. Okay, now adding LA Colors liquid eyeliner, which is CBLE430 color black, which has a ultra fine tip as shown here in the picture. So we're gonna test that out. That's what the application will be. I'll open this. Okay, well, I don't know if it seems like the picture, does it? Let's see. Let's compare it to the picture. Yeah, I guess so. Yes, I'm not sure, but anyway, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is again a review. Now, you know what? I'm gonna need my mirror, my handy dandy mirror, because in this case I don't not trust my phone. Let's see. Okay, please, please. Okay. You know what? I haven't used liquid eyeliner in I think like in 3 years. I usually use a marker eyeliner. I'm gonna use a swoop. Steady hand, steady hands. I'm doing this right. That looks okay. This side. And it seems that this black eyeliner dries up a little bit too fast. So it feels kind of like feels kind of sticky, but at the same time smooth. Okay, now on to the next step. I will be using LA Colors Black Mascara, number C42205. The color of the fonts they use like a light aquamarine blue metallic color. It's kind of hard to tell how much milliliters does it have. It has 3 milliliters, which is, I'm not sure how many teaspoons is that. Oh, look at that. Sorry. It's a small little application or applicator. It's tiny. Okay. Enough tiny jokes. It was kind of hard. Let's see. Go over the bottom lashes again. And look what we have. We have Wet n Wild's eyelashes here, which are number C971A. You know what? I would apply them, but I'm just not in the mood. But I will keep this for future reference. I caught this Mountain Dew dollar flavored lip balm. Dew the Dew. And, well, I guess it doesn't have like a serial number here. It just has directions for safe use. Apply smoothly and even to lips, not to be eaten. Yeah, you know, I actually did think that this was like candy or something like you dip in and then you put back in your mouth. But it's just a lip moisturizer. I thought the little bottle seemed interesting. Oh, look how cute. There's a little tip here. Little tippy tip. Am I opening it right? Hold on. Or do I open it from here? I can't. Oh, oh! You don't turn it, you just take off the little cap here. It's funny. Oh, okay. So it's just green lip. Let me smell it. Yeah, it does smell like it. It smells a little bit more like regular chapstick, but it does smell like Mountain Dew. Like, just kidding. I don't snort, I smell. It's personal use, so. Oh, and I guess it has this little twist on the bottom. So, like, let's say if it runs out, then I guess you just push it out. But you know what? It's not pushing out. It's just stuck. I don't know if what time it loosens or whatever, but it's stuck. That's why probably it ended up at the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I'm just going to apply it straight onto my lips. Here I have Wet n Wild's Silk Finish Lipsticks. I think these were the only colors that I'm going to begin swatching color Breeze, but let's see. Well, it's backwards, so I don't think it matters because I already said the name. But I am going to swatch it over my lips, see how it comes out. I am trying Hot Red. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Use my mirror again. This tone seems a little bit too light than this color. Next, I will be trying Dark Wine, which is the nice red dark color. My lips feel dry. Go up the line. And okay, so I like this one. And for some honorable mentions, I also picked up a mirror, which is the I Love You Rhinestone Mirror by Sassy+Chick. Let's see if this mirror is actually worth using. I mostly got it because of the rhinestones. I can't say no to rhinestones. Reminds me that someone loves me. I love you. This would actually be like a cute gift to give on Valentine's, which already passed, like to a friend. I don't think a boyfriend, but oh, you know what? Does it have like a little film on here? Oh gosh. Well, this side, which is this side, looks fine. But the bottom is cracked. I also have this Sassy+Chick Kabuki Cosmetics brush, which I should have mentioned earlier. That came along with the mermaid brushes. Actually, I didn't even get to use this one. But probably I'll use it anyway. So this little kabuki brush, the reason why I got it was not for my face, but for my nails whenever I'm applying mirror chrome powders or whenever I want to dust off that excess dead skin residue. As you can see. I mean, you could use it for whatever you want, for blush, mainly anything. So yeah, pretty handy. And for facial hygiene, I picked up this Global Beauty Care cleansing nose strips, which is a charcoal cleansing nose strip. I've usually used regular ones, like the white ones that you just put water in your nose and then you wait for it to dry and then you strip it off. But I'll probably review this some more in another video where I practice my facial hygiene routine. And I picked up this really cute see-through holographic cosmetics bag, which I found by the register. I think that's about it for this makeup review. And for the other products, I think that this makeup is really basic and was pulled out from the clearance section from their original stores. And most of all, I think, in my personal opinion, they are a pretty good grab, because if you're patient enough, you might see some of your favorite brands within your Dollar Tree stores. And also, I don't know, maybe at the 99, but I think it's well worth it because after seeing these colors, and you know what, it's also how you apply makeup. It's not about having what's really new and expensive out there, because chances are you're never probably going to be using the same palette over, what, possibly 5 times in your life. I don't know, just to say, oh, I have this from this brand, or I got it from this favorite YouTuber or whatever. But most of all, I think it's makeup's pretty good. Like I said, it's how you apply the makeup. It's not how good it looks on another person. It's how it looks good on you and how you make it look. So yeah, I guess I'll give it. I would like to just say a huge thanks to whoever took their time into viewing this video, because really I just felt like there was so many products out there, but at the same time I think it would be a total waste not to show advantage into showing which brands that you could find at the Dollar Tree store. Like back then, I remember they carried e.l.f., but then when e.l.f. started to come out in YouTube and other stores, that's when it became more pricier. So hopefully, well, Wet n Wild's already pricier. LA Colors, I'm not sure. I don't really use it that much. And but Sassy+Chick, I think there was some makeup from Sassy+Chick, but overall, I would just like to say a huge thanks. If you could please click that like button and please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Would like to also say take care and bye for now until the next video.